With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked to select the odd one with respect to the criteria considered by R.H.Whittaker to classify organisms. So we simply discuss about the R.H.Whittaker. So he gave the five kingdom classification, right, and it was a widely accepted classification. So as per him, he gave the five kingdoms, right. He stated five kingdoms that are basically the kingdom Monera, then the kingdom Protista, right, lastly, then thirdly is basically the kingdom Fungi, followed by the kingdom Plantae, and lastly the kingdom Animalia. So as per him, he basically gave these five kingdom classification, and this five kingdom classification was given on certain basis. The number one criteria for the classification was the cell structure, right, whether the organism is unicellular or the multicellular, right, then basically whether they are prokaryote or the eukaryote. Then next was their body organization, right, next was their body organization, right. So it was based on that whether they're unicellular or multicellular, and the cell structure is whether they are the prokaryote or the eukaryote, right. Then next we basically have is the next criteria, that's the mode of nutrition, right, how they basically obtain the food. So the third criteria was the mode of nutrition. Then the fourth criteria was the reproduction, whether they reproduce sexually or asexually. And the last criteria was altogether the phylogenetic relationship, or we can say the phylogeny, right, about their evolutionary relationship. So as per the options, if we discuss the thallus organization, which is basically the body organization, thallus organization is basically the body organization here. So this is actually correct, right, that whether what type of a body they have, right, whether it is well organized or it's just thallus type, the group of cells or the tissue. So on that note, they were divided into various kingdoms, right, the organisms were divided into various kingdoms, right. So this is correct. Then next is phylogeny, so yes, this was also a criteria, correct. Then the third one is locomotion. So as we can see here, locomotion is not the criteria that we have discussed here. So we can say that locomotion was not the criteria that was considered by R.H.Whittaker, right, and the organisms were not classified on the basis of locomotion, so it was not considered by him. So this option is odd one out here and will be a correct answer. Then mode of nutrition was also even included as a criteria, so this cannot be a correct answer. So as per the discussion and the options here, our correct answer is option 3, right.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.